What are the warning signs that a child is being raised to be useless? Must take it seriously. First, does not take care of personal hygiene. All day long, apart from eating and sleeping, only plays with the phone. Has no regular daily routine. Second, is addicted to games. Stays at home all day, always complains. Third, is afraid of socializing. Stays up late for a long time. Is too lazy. Fourth, is extremely irritable. Gets angry over trivial things. Neither reasoning nor scolding works. Fifth, does not know how to be grateful. Does not understand the importance of frugality, let alone appreciate parents' hard work and dedication. Sixth, always deceives parents and talks back to them. Never admits mistakes and is conceited. Seventh, cannot listen to whatever parents say. Always says, I already know, but just doesn't do it. Eighth, never considers parents' feelings, thinks parents' efforts are taken for granted. Ninth, has no plans for his own life at all. No goals, no aspirations, just lies flat and gives up.